Hello everybody, welcome back to my 1 minute cloud computing learning session. In this session, we'll be talking about microservices. We know that cloud computing is all about services, and building those services needs a very discrete and a practical approach. And unlike in the traditional computing where we use a very monolithic system in which functionalities are interdependent and the whole complexity is built because of this kind of a interaction, what cloud computing does is it takes a service approach in which a small activity is done by one independent service, and these services can communicate with each other. So this integration or combination of those services will actually eventually help you to get your things done. In computing, microservice is a software architecture style in which complex applications are composed of small, independent processes communicating with each other using language agnostic APIs. These services are small, highly decoupled, and focus on doing a small task, facilitating a modular approach to system building. So in the traditional computing, I told you, suppose you have a payroll, that would be a very complex system. All the functionalities are interdependent on each other. Whereas in a service oriented approach, which is actually the foundation of cloud computing, each activity is get done by a particular function. For example, if there's a print function, this can be used in multiple contexts, whether you are printing a document directly from machine or from an application software and others.